Morning, morning again, guys. Morning to you all. And when I say morning, I'm giving a universal morning, a global morning, morning to the world. This is the Caymanas Quintus Paradise program. And now we are again with the Real Bird Corner segment. And as we are here, you can see Baby Love, a runner for the program we're dealing with now. Baby Love is going in from the pony, and Isa Lion is going up to work. It is a pleasure to share this with you, my fans, family, and all who is supporting the Caymanas Puntas Paradise program. Big up to you, Michelle. Respect and manners all the time. You know
Thank
you are the
you.
queen of the Caymanas Puntas Paradise too. Now we are about Sunday's selection because we did Saturday's selection yesterday morning, and we are trying to make it convenient for people to see and get enough time to get a feel from our honesty, because we are coming straight up. We're not trying to cross thread anything. We are coming honest and giving you the real deal. So first to mention, and as you know, we always start out with our bankers. In the second race, I'm gonna take Adenosine. Adenosine look as if he's gotten a race here, gotten the best. He's given the best draw, drawn on the outside, 4 furlong straight. He's blessed with speed in comparison to these, and I would expect him to take on. Even though we have seen that Blue Sky is fit and in good swing, but I think with this lone speed and on the outside and the handicap suiting Adenosine, I would say Adenosine is a public banker. My next banker on the card is race 6. She's adorable. She's adorable. Ran pretty well with Country Kid when she was making that strong closing in the finish. She was finishing fast. She did not win since, but she ran very well on the 2 turn. She was chasing Never and Chief Dissident. Chief Dissident came back, got a sharpener over the 4 straight, and then win the very next time out. So that farm is working well, and I think She's Adorable can be taken with some amount of trust, some magnitude of trust. Here we go with our two bankers. Sometimes we say triple when triple come, but this gonna be double when double come because we have two for today. Now we are on to the horses that can make you use a little to win big. We're talking about value for money. So we are going to the outsiders, the ones with the outside chance, outsiders to watch. In the fifth race, I'm going to take number 1, Tequila Flight. Tequila Flight is coming off a little rest, not racing all of that so much, not racing so much to all of that, but I consider her pretty useful among this 4-year-old maiden group, which is so much petered out. So I'll take Tequila Flight. She's looking good in the mornings, and I know she's capable enough to get among these and figure. My next outsider on the card, you know that Queen Varna, I brought her the other day as an outsider. She came fifth, didn't even come in the superfecta, which paid 10,000 as I said, and the I5 did pay 100 and plus thousand. Check the difference with just one position with an outsider. So I'm gonna go for Queen Varna again because I thought Queen Varna was ridden a little too gentle on the last occasion because I brought two horses as outsider on that day. California Gold, who I thought gone too early when he should have waited, and then Queen Varna was at the back waiting when she should have gone early in a sharp race like that. So I'm gonna go for Queen Varna again as an outsider to figure because I already bring She's Adorable as a winner for that race, so you know that Queen Varna is just for the exotics. My final outsider here is Awesome Anthony. Awesome Anthony came third to Money Market and Major Danger on the day when a mandatory pick six played closed by Money Market and it paid 800 and plus thousand. Awesome Anthony came back and won. He has always been seeing the useful horses of his crop, the Mojito and all of those, Mamma Mia and so forth. So he can figure here, regardless of the fact that he's just stepping up to compete against these. So our bankers, second race, number 5, Adenosine. Sixth race, number 8, She's Adorable. And as for our outsiders to watch and horses that can figure in the exotics, in the fifth race, number 1, Tequila Flight. In the Tequila Flight, in the sixth race, number 9, Queen Varna. And in the final, ninth and final, the Benston Edge, the the Vassal Jollyman Nigeria Memorial Cup. That is Jollyman who was killed by the horse at the track on a race day. So that one is Awesome Anthony for that Jollyman Nigeria Memorial Trophy as an outsider. So that is my take on things for my selections, but I'm asking people please to give us the likes and the subscription. And if you don't know how to really give us the like, you can ask and you shall be given some information and instructions how to do so. So give a thanks to my fans, my family, and everyone who supports the Railbird Corner program and for more so the Caymanas Puntas Paradise program. Mr. Fender, there you go. You're gonna get the mantle in your hand now.
And
So do the do.
thanks again
You're welcome.
for us to be doing such a great job.
Yes, and
I like it.
and we were commended. People
Yeah.
really give us the props.
Yes. Well, Sunday, and I just want to be fast on this. Sunday, final program. To me, is very, very interesting because, you know, um, we have 9 races on Ambash. You have always come through for the Caymanas Punters Paradise fans, and I see that they take what you brought to the table very, very seriously and interesting, and you make the show pretty good. Now, this Sunday
Thanks,
comes,
Anna.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome. And let me tell you, I like, on this Sunday card. Uh, well, as we see, 9 races, but I want to sort of, I like a horse, you see, Bash. And the horse I like is Baby Love.
That's a good horse. Pretty good horse.
Is there anything you can
Nothing is
share
wrong
with
with you
me
liking Baby
on
Love.
that one, on this Baby Love?
Well, I showed you Baby Love just now.
Yes.
So
And
coincidentally she came by as we are doing just about to do our program.
yes.
So and the reason why I showed you Baby Love because
Yes.
she's so much of a ass. She's so much a ass with big great interest.
Yes.
She's a
And
horse with so much of
and for the
insight.
owners and the trainers and the trainer for this baby love, I am wishing them the best. I think this baby love is going to prove herself. She's judo, but
Yeah, she once a pretty close a fight in second when beaten by Shiza Murad. So she's back now to see if she can recoup.
okay, nice, nice. And I also looking at the championship. Any good?
Yes, the head-to-head
Yeah,
battle with Tevin Foster and Roman.
yes,
One of the fans say they should get a meeting with or some have a program with the two jockeys, like
Yeah.
two boxers,
yes.
belting out at each other and showing what they're going to do each other, and we'll see how much people come to the track on the next race day.
Next,
So you know this thing is the thing in the people head right now.
anything. So
Yeah.
our racing here at Cayman Spark is really at
At
a
its
very
peak right now.
pretty great stage.
Yes.
Yeah, man, it's at its pinnacle now.
And
Right up
I
to the
must
peak.
say, Cayman as Hunters Paradise played a key role to get the buzz up. And with you, Buzz, wonders. And myself,
Appreciation.
my style is my style.
All right. Thank you
Yes.
much, guys.
No, guys, we don't know. You know that Bash will always tell you that we love you and we are honest to you. We are true to you. We're not giving bad tips. We are not trying to pick number 5 and then give you number 4. So you must always place confident trust and always have some amount of belief in this Caymanas Punters Paradise program. And we need you to support with subscription, likes, and all the comments that you can come with. Thanks a lot.
All
Great.
right. Thank you, guys.
How great you are.